Thank you to Boeing for allowing the use of their copyrighted material to make this video possible. Without Boeing's continued innovation and support, telling the story of the legendary Apache wouldn't be possible. What you're about to see isn't just a helicopter. It's a flying beast with a mission. Today, we're diving deep into the AH-64 Apache, the attack helicopter that changed modern warfare forever. But what makes the Apache so feared and so respected? Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why the Apache is more than just a machine. It's a symbol of dominance in the sky. Let's start from the beginning. The AH-64 Apache was introduced in the mid-1980s. Originally designed by Hughes Helicopters and later produced by Boeing, its mission was simple: fly fast, hit hard, and survive anything. And it does exactly that. Look at this thing: a tandem cockpit, advanced sensors, and a helmet that lets the pilot aim weapons just by looking at the target. Pause for a second and think about that. You look at something, and the Apache is ready to destroy it. Now imagine being on the other side of that. At the heart of the Apache is its weapons system. We're talking about the 30mm M230 chain gun, Hydra 70 rockets, and the iconic AGM-114 Hellfire missiles. The name says it all: Hellfire. If you're a ground target and the Apache is overhead, you're not getting away. But here's what most people don't realize. The Apache is also built for defense. With infrared countermeasures, radar jammers, and armor that can take a hit, this machine was built to fly into the fight and come out alive. Now let's talk about the crew. 2 people, the pilot in the back and the gunner in the front. These two have to work as one. Communication, precision, trust, every second matters, and when the Apache's in combat, there's no room for error. You can almost feel the power, the sound of the rotors, the sudden roar of the chain gun. If you've ever seen an Apache fly in person, tell us in the comments. What did it feel like? Was it loud, intimidating, inspiring? We'd love to hear your story. Here's something you might not know. The Apache can fly even with serious damage. One engine fails, it keeps flying. Electronics hit, it still fights. It's built to take a beating and keep on going. Now let's step inside the cockpit. Screens, sensors, targeting systems everywhere. That helmet the pilot wears? It's not just headgear, it's a targeting system, a night vision tool, a command center. When you fly the Apache, you don't just control the machine. You become part of it. Before we wrap up, here's a question for you. If you had the chance to fly an Apache for just one day, what would you do? Would you fly low through a canyon? Hover above the desert at sunset? Or test the full power of its weapons on a range? Let us know in the comments. The best answer might get featured in our next video. The Apache isn't just a helicopter. It's a symbol of precision, of power, of protection, built to dominate the skies and support those on the ground. And it's still evolving, faster, smarter, deadlier than ever. If you're a fan of aviation, military history, or high-tech hardware, make sure to subscribe. We've got more in-depth stories and powerful machines coming soon. Thanks again to Boeing for making this video possible. And thank you for watching. Drop a comment, hit like, and stay tuned for more. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.